Hi, everyone. Let's take a look at how to use subtitles in different languages on YouTube. So we've got the video playing. We're going to go to the bottom of the screen, and the first button here is for subtitles and closed captioning. We push that one, wait for it to turn red, and you can see that the subtitles have begun in English. If we want to change the language of the subtitles, let's go to the settings button right here. And you can see that the subtitles are halfway up the page. This number 38 is the number of languages that we've got subtitles available for in this video. It's set automatically to English, but if we go to the arrow, you can see that there's a long list of different community languages that we can use the subtitles for. All right, say we want to change it to Urdu. We click on Urdu once, and it should automatically change the language of the subtitles. Now that's a bit small. Let's see if we can make it a bit bigger so that it's easier to read. We go back to subtitles, to the arrow, and then go to the top of the screen. And we'll click on Options. Here we've got lots of different things we can do, change the font, change the background color. Let's go to font size, the third one down. It's at 75% right now, which is a bit small. Let's increase it to 200%. There we go, that's better. Some people prefer it even bigger or a bit smaller. Play around and see what works for you. We click the arrow to go back, and then back again. And click off. And there we have it, subtitles in Urdu or whatever community language you would like. Thanks, everyone. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment to help support my channel. Okay, have a good day. Bye.